I feel like I'm not supposed to say this, pero some we're not always we're not always okay. Sometimes we get into arguments, and I think that's normal kasi we're two different people. So sometimes when we have arguments, sinasabi niya, sige na ako na magsasorry. Like, siya yung unang magsasorry, ganon. Tapos, he's gonna apologize and then he's gonna say, ikaw naman lagi mo susunod, boss. Bossing kita eh. Siya. So it's kind of like an endearment na rin na parang he makes sure na I'm always gonna get my way by calling me boss. And I think that's sweet. He's really nice. Yan po, he's funny.
In-accept mo naman na ikaw ang boss. Siya yung...
Hindi, sabi ko hindi kaya. Syempre kasi 'di ba, hindi naman lagi. Pero yun po, it's very sweet. Dati baby, tapos ngayon boss. So sabi ko, don't call me boss, baby na lang.
Yun na lang. So, mas gusto mo baby kaysa boss?
Opo, feeling ko pag boss kasi inaasar niya lang ako eh. Parang dog show na.
Yung next question ko is, parang parang kung merong dun sa 3 scent na yan, ano yung gusto mong i-represent naman? Kung meron kang nire-represent na isa o dalawa, ano yung gusto mong parang itong scent na to, si Robin to?
Oh, it would be this, wait, Lush and Lollipop. Yung fresh na scent. Kasi actually walang manly na scent dito. These are all neutral lang. Neutral lang siya, pero leaning more on the feminine. Pero this one, yung Lush and Lollipop, meron siyang vibes na clean and fresh. Yung notes niya kasi fruity. For me, kapag naamoy ko si Rob, very manly yung scents niya na ginagamit. Yung parang, gusto mong amoyin, nakaka-addict. Pero, barely, parang nai-imagine ko siyang na-wear niya to. And I could also feel na bagay sa kanya po.
So, yan yung ibibigay mo sa kanya na scent.
Yeah.
Oh. Last na lang, kumbaga isa sa mga nakikita naming future mo, you'll become a good kumbaga talk show host.
I would love that, yes.
Diba?
Opo.
Kung magiging talk show host ka, tapos ang unang guest mo si Robin, ano yung unang-unang itatanong mo sa kanya?
Robin, kumusta ang love life?
Bakit yun?
Because I'm not a talk show host right now. I feel like that could be a few years from now. So I'm wondering kung ano ba yung love life niya by that time.
Paano kung kayo na yun that time?
I'd be happy.
Okay. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.